Get 20 minutes up on the clock. That means it's time for period 2. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get scary. Scarecrows hockey back at it. Minute 39 of power play time. The Scarecrows in the black with the orange trim will skate right to left across your YouTube and Sportfy screens. The Indiana Sentinels in those white jerseys with the navy blue shoulders will skate left to right. As Robbie Nichols has a chat with the officials. 20 minutes on the clock. And the power play set to get going right now. Cameron Clark set to take the draw. Flanked by Koash and Bird. Puck is won back by Indiana all the way back as Terrain has possession. Feeds it around the boards. Unable to keep the zone. It'll be sent all the way back down. Sammy Bernard will have to stop it. Bernard sends it back for LaBelle. Josh LaBelle starts the breakout, passing it ahead. Cameron Clark trying to break out of his own zone. Poke checked away as Peavy into the zone. He gets knocked off the puck. Fed up the wall. Trying to play it back out. Topeka gets it up and out. Cameron Clark with it. Spins around. Clark looking up ice. Passes it along. Finds his man as Gagnon breaks in. Gagnon spins off. Moves the puck. Finds Koash. Koash with it now. Scott Koash turns and looks. Takes his time. Has LaBelle back. A slap shot there. Deflected in front. It's behind. And the referee blows the whistle as the puck was laying right in front of the net. 19:17 to go. Period number 2. 56 seconds left to go here in the power play. As the faceoff will come to the right-hand side of Cooper Olson. So, Cameron Clark set to take the draw. Clark waiting. That puck is dropped. One back by Indiana. Backhanded and sent all the way back down. Sammy Bernard puts the stop on that one quick, and he will cover up as Bohdan Zinchenko was right there. 46 seconds of power play time remaining. As Topeka will have to head all the way back down. So, 19:07 to go in period number 2. We're here in the middle frame of this one. Topeka looking to win a draw. Face-off drop, trying to push it back. They do. Josh LaBelle comes away with it. LaBelle behind his own net. Breaking back out. Zinchenko was right there, so a hurried-up pass. Cameron Clark stretches the neutral zone. Gagnon has to spin back and play. Topeka now offside. As that's dumped in, onside is Topeka. LaBelle chasing back after it, pokes it along. Clark debated. Now he moves down and pinches. A delayed penalty, and Topeka will take a slashing call here. Boston Bird will go to the penalty box and kill the remaining 24 seconds. So, all the way back down the ice, 4-on-4 for 24 seconds, a 1-1 game. And then a minute 36 of power play time for Indiana. Again, they're 1 for 2 on the night. Face-off up to the right-hand side of Sammy Bernard. As they settle. Long look there. Puck pushed back. Lind wraps it up the boards, unable to clear the zone. Pushing in, a shot turned away. Another shot taken away by Sammy Bernard. Lease is there, taken away from him and banked back to the blue line, but again fails to clear. Back down low for Bormanis. Bormanis sends it wide, finds Lease. Lease has it. Last 5 seconds of the 4-on-4. Back down and around. Trying to play it around. Played back to the point as now again Indiana works it below the goal line. 5-on-4. Shot turned away by Bernard. Picked off and backhanded out. Back to the neutral zone. Fed around. Ouellette gives chase. Ouellette back below the goal line. Trying to move this puck. Ouellette looking up. Less than a minute 20 to go in the power play. Racing back out. Into the zone goes Zinchenko. Zinchenko passes back to the blue line, but that gets by the defender and all the way back down. Cooper Olson will leave his net to play. Olson has it. Moved it back behind for Ouellette. Clark, the deep man there for Topeka. Trying to hustle this one back out. Moved ahead quickly. Ponovanoff got that puck up quickly and back through the neutral zone. Cunningham with it. Has it, shoots it off a leg. And that one bounces around in front, turning, looking for the shot. As again, it's moved back down low. Sentinels still there for it. Ponovanoff with it. Passes across. Pinching into the zone. Ouellette looking for a lane. Throws it back below the goal line. And now again, Topeka on the chase. Back to the blue line. Cunningham has it. Can't control. Sends it down low. Towards the front. Nobody had a stick down as Ouellette comes up with it. 30 seconds to go in the kill. Back along the wall. Fed back towards the point as Grasby had spun off. And again, Ouellette around the boards. Finds Cunningham. Cunningham working it back to the point. Ponivanoff with a shot deflected just wide of the net. Slapped around the boards, and Topeka chasing back after. Trying to swat it up and out of the zone. They do get it cleared and send that all the way down. Topeka will make changes. 5 seconds to go in the kill. Bird is up in the box and ready to get out of there. Puck moved along. Penalty is over as Ponivanoff races back out. Backhands off of body, fed back towards the neutral zone. Koash able to chop it out of the zone, and he breaks free. Koash in the offensive zone. Stick handles through, but that one's moved out back towards the blue line. Koash turns, fires it off the boards, and again that puck will be moved back out and sent all the way down. Bernard avoids the touch, and that will be an icing call. 3:36 into the period.